vegetarian weight loss test. And let's see what my waist is at. It's just about the same as yesterday, 26.5. And I started this program with a 28-inch waist. So I've lost 1.5 inches in my waist already in about a week and a half. Hips are at 37 and I started with a 38. So I've lost 1 inch in my hips. Feeling good. Cat is playing with the tape measure. Thighs are still around 21. And we'll see what the scale says. _131.6. So finally getting below 132, yes. I was beginning to freak out there for a little bit. I hovered around 132 for, a week? About a week. I stuck it. I was dropping weight and then I just stopped at 132 and it was getting very frustrating. But I'm finally down to 131.6, so about 131.5. So yay. So today I'll be eating, I got a bunch of these little atulfo, I think is how you say it, atulfo mangoes. They're really good. I'm going to be eating a bunch of these. And some coconut. I also got a bunch of green beans. Green beans are a type of fruit. They're a fruit body of the plant because they contain the seeds. So you can get your green foods in even on a fruit diet. Any kind of pod that holds seeds is the fruit body of the plant. Very good. These are really good raw. So, feeling good? Losing weight, getting smaller. And that was a goal. And to boost my physical endurance, which has raised a lot. I did not go jogging yesterday, but I did work out on the pole and practice some stuff. I worked some abs and my arms and back muscles. So I did get in some exercise. It really makes a difference. It really boosts your weight loss when you exercise and when you apply weight to your bones and your muscles. It makes you lose weight a lot faster. Boosts your metabolism. And when you exercise a muscle, it burns the fat all around that muscle. It makes you more toned, more lean. So, hopefully within, let's see, what is this, day 12? About a week and a half. I'm down to around 131.5. And about 5 more pounds, and I'll reevaluate and see if I need to lose any more weight. I really wanted to get down to 120 pounds, but that might be too light for my height. Again, I'm 5'9" tall. So 120 might be too thin, I'm not sure. I've never been at 120 since I got this tall. So ever since I reached my full height of 5'9", I've been hovering around the 130 zone. So I've always been a little bit overweight, I guess you could say. Because I could be thinner. So throughout my entire adulthood, I've never really been as thin as I should be. And that's what my goal is with this program right now. So it's going to be interesting, and it's going to be strange and different for me to be that thin at this height, because ever since I've been this tall, I have not been that thin. Because I eat a lot of dairy products. All dairy products are super duper duper fattening. I eat a lot of bread. If you want to get really big, really fast, eat a lot of dairy and a lot of bread. And that'll do it. And I love that stuff. I love cookies. I remember when I first started gaining weight, when I was about preteen, 12, 13, 14, I would come home from school and literally take a box of Captain Crunch just and a jug of cow milk and sit it on the table, and just I would eat literally 4 or 5 bowls of Captain Crunch just all in a row. And that's when I really started to widen up. So, but on the other hand, if I were to eat 5 mangoes, I would shrink. So it's all in what you eat. It's not how much you eat, it's what you're eating. Definitely. Non-fattening food, fattening food. Makes all the difference.